Igunya elilawula ukusebenza kwecandelo lezophapho kweli South African Civil Aviation linike imvume inkampani yakwa-Comair ukuba iphinde ibuyisele eMajukujukwini iinqwelo zayo ngalentsasa. Oku kuza emva kokunqunyanyiswa kwazo iintsuku ezintlanu ngenxa yengxaki kwiinqwelo zalenkampani.
The airlines were submitting their evidence as required by civil aviation regulations. The CAA inspectorate team stood ready to evaluate that. And really this was done in the interest of making sure that the airline is able to go back to the skies as soon as possible.
Kodwa Igunya elilawula lezophapho kweli liye laxekwa kabukhali kuzinqumamisa zonke iinqwelo zakwa-Comair.
When these incidences happened in close proximity, clearly there was a sign that there was something wrong. And as we would have it now, we have got a very clear picture that the airline was actually now not diligent in making sure that they analyze all of these occurrences that are happening.
Kusenjalo emva kokungavunyelwa kweenqwelo zakwa-Comair kuba Ziintingele eMajukujukwini, ezinye iinkampani zezaxhoma amaxabiso kwaye oku kudala isanqe kubakhweli. Kungoko ngoku i-Competition Commission ingenelele kulo mba.
They were flirting with breaking the law with regards to law that regulate issues like price gouging, and this is why we have serious concerns, and we are meeting the airlines this morning in order to discuss the conduct that we suspect may be threatening or lessening competition with regards to how the prices have suddenly shot up.
Kukho ixhala lokuba izinkampani zophapho zinyuse amaxabiso singasithele ngesebe lokuba bayiba baninzi abantu bebefuna inkonzo zazo kungoko zinyuse amaxabiso njengoko oku kusisiqhelo kwicandelo zoshishino.
Over the past few days, we have seen amounts where, in fact, it would be cheaper to fly to Dubai, it would be cheaper to fly to London than flying to Cape Town. And also the amounts that we've seen on screenshots of people who were buying tickets to Durban and East London from Johannesburg. Those were extraordinary. But of course, we need to hear the side of the story, but it seems as though something fishy had taken place, and this is why we are concerned.
Ezinkampani ziphinde zawahlisa amaxabiso ngoku kodwa uphando luza kuqhubela phambili.